So I'm using Xbox Game Bar inside of Windows 10 to record something in Excel and then to bring across another program into it. Just watch what happens. So I'm going to go into Excel here. I'm going to put some numbers in, 4, 5, 6, and then I'm going to choose to insert a recommended chart with those numbers. Now you may have heard that a warning box came up, but you can't see it. When I show you the other video, you will see it, so you'll see what you're missing out on. Now I need to choose the numbers, and then when I click on recommended chart, up comes a bunch of different types of charts that I can choose from. I'm going to choose the pie chart and click OK, and there it is. But you didn't see a lot of that process because Windows Xbox Game Bar doesn't record a lot of the things that pop up over the top, which are important for students to see at times. And now I'm going to bring across another program so that you can see what happens when I drag it on top of the Excel workbook. So the other program's now sitting on top of the Excel workbook, and again you can't see it at all. So now I'm going to go through the same process. This time I'm just using Camtasia. I could have chosen one of a number of screen capturing tools. So I'm going to put the same numbers into my Excel spreadsheet, 4, 5, 6, and then I'm going to go through the same process of inserting a recommended chart. Notice that you can see this warning that comes up saying I've got to choose the cells. So if I choose the cells and I try it again, I get a choice here of what sort of chart, and if I click OK, it appears. Now when you compare the two, all of that menu stuff and the warning didn't show up on the original recording. And now I'm going to bring another window across which represents another program that we want to show, and you can see it this time, whereas in Xbox Game Bar you couldn't see any of that occurring. So teachers who decide to use this as an option need to be aware of the limitations of functionality that exist when using Microsoft Game Bar to create videos for instruction.